Hello everybody! Today I would like to share with you an easy, quick, healthy, gluten-free recipe. It's the Shirataki yam noodle soup, and I have here, it's called Shirataki. I hope I pronounce it right. I don't know, I think it's Japanese. And it's a white yam noodle substitute. And you get this in some of the grocery stores, but I'm sure once you've seen this, you can look for it, you can make a picture of this, a screenshot, and then show it when you're shopping. I'm sure you'll find it. So we put this in at the end. And then I have here other ingredients. The recipe shows a different vegetable. So you can be creative as always, or if you know already more about Ayurveda, you choose the vegetables according to your dosha. I have here wonderful broccoli, which is excellent for pitta reducing. Then I have some mushrooms, which is a little bit heavier. This is good for vata, for kapha in moderation, but it's okay. For flavor, it's good. Then I have a stack of celery and bell pepper, another bell pepper, minced onions are here, and some green onion, and I had some tomatoes, and I wanted to use those in the soup. So be creative what you would like to put in the soup. And I tell you, when you put in all the vegetables into the pot, they usually go along very well during the cooking process. So they get along, yeah. So, and then we have here the ginger minced. We have here a little bit of curry. We have here some turmeric. And I have here also some Bragg's amino acids, or you could use again the coconut aminos instead. So we have here a nice blend. We put this all together, and at the very end you can add some lime juice, some spritzers for taste, and we have here also some cilantro for garnish. So this makes an easy, quick soup, and I guarantee you it's probably not longer than 15 minutes, depending on the vegetables and on your force of cooking. Like, yeah, speed it up, put it on high, and you should have a meal very soon. Okay, enjoy. Now we go to the oven. Okay, so this is so easy. So just you put in the broccoli in the pot. You just put all ingredients at once in the pot. I can use a little bit. Huh? So, and I forgot to tell you that this recipe does not have any oil. So this is really super light. It's wonderful for a light dinner. Yeah, and also helping your digestion. So we put it all together in the pot, all ingredients at once. You will love this soup, and I know it was a hit in my program so far. So let's see. And you can always write me how are your results, or if you have any questions with any recipe, let me know how is it going for you, what is it doing, and if you have any things notable which I might have overlooked, please let me know as well. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I would say one more, 5 cups of boiled water already. And now we just put it for a moment on high so it can start doing its job. We put a lid on it. Okay, so we cover it and we let it now cook all together. And again, this is a wonderful gluten-free, fat-free soup for you. Enjoy that. Okay, so here we have our nice cooking soup. All the ingredients you put in there. And after 15 minutes of cooking on high or medium, I will just add here the Shirataki noodles. And we will spread them a little bit around. And let it just blend, and you can have this like for yeah, just 2 minutes or so, so it's nicely blended underneath. And here you have a wonderful soup. This gives like 3 servings or 4, but it's so light, so you might want to have a nice bowl of this one, and or share it with others. It's lovely. So here, enjoy this nice soup, a nice Asian shirataki soup. And to taste, you can add some soy sauce or some tamari low sodium, or Bragg's if you need anything more, or some salt. So feel free to do so. And add a little bit of ginger or cilantro, or a spritzer of lime juice makes really a difference. And just have a lovely soup here. Enjoy.